Hello, my name is Dilip Sapkota. Welcome all of you to the video. In this video, I am going to show you how we can install Visual Studio Code in our system. I will open the Chrome browser. You can open your favorite browser and then I will type here download VS Code and then I will hit the enter button. As you can see here, we have a first link. I will click over there and then I will click here because I am installing it into the Windows. So, it is downloading here now. Download is completed. I am going to open it here. As you can see here, we have a agreements. So, I will have to accept all the agreements. So, you can read all those and then you can accept the agreements and then click to the next button, again click to the next button, again next button and then again next button, again click to the install button. It will start installing in our system. As you can see here, it is successfully installed. I will click to the finish button and then I will press the Windows start button and then I will type VS Code. As you can see, it is showing Visual Studio Code. This is the logo of the Visual Studio Code. I will open it. As you can see here, Visual Studio Code is successfully opened in my system. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.